Hi and welcome to another video about WordPress. In this video, I will show you how you can remove or uninstall WordPress from your domain. I assume that you already have installed WordPress on a domain and that you have your credentials for your web hosting service next to you. If you don't know how to install WordPress on your web hosting, either one.com, then watch this video here. If your web hosting is Uno or simply.com, then watch this video about how to install WordPress. In this example, I will remove or uninstall WordPress on my subdomain demo.startlearning.dk. Step 1. Open your browser and enter the URL for your web hosting company. In my case, I will be using simply.com or uno.com. Step 1 is done. Step 2. Log into your control panel on your web hosting company's website. Here you need your credentials from your web hosting company. Step 2 is done. Step 3. Now click on File Manager in the menu to the left side. Step 3 is done. Step 4. Find the folder that you want to remove or uninstall. In my case, it is demo.startlearning.dk. And now click on the icon, Remove Folder. Next, a pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm the deletion. Go and click Yes, I'm sure. Good. Now we have deleted the folder. Step 4 is done now. Step 5. Now go back to the control panel and click on MySQL in the menu to the left side. Step 5 is done. Step 6. Click on the icon named Open Web Administration next to your database name. Step 6 is now done. Step 7. Mark all tables that begins with the word demo WP. For example, demo WP-links, demo WP-options, demo WP-posts, and so on. Step 7 is done now. Step 8. Now go and click on the delete action so all tables will be removed from the database. Yes, and you confirm that you want to delete all tables that begins with demo WP. And now you have deleted all tables. Step 8 is done now. You are now done, but if you have a hosting company as simple.com or Euro, you can continue with the next step, step 9. Step 9. Go and click on Website in the menu to the left side and then click on Subdomains on the left side of the website. Step 9 is done now. Step 10. Find a subdomain that you want to remove. In my case, it is demo.startlearning.dk. And now click on the icon remove. And now you're done with step 10. Thank you for watching another video about WordPress.